What if your backyard could feel just as festive as the fireworks in the sky? What if your front porch, patio, or garden walkway looked like a celebration in itself, full of patriotic charm and bursting with red, white, and blue? Whether you're planning a neighborhood barbecue, a casual family cookout, or simply want to show your pride with style, today's video is packed with 4th of July outdoor decor ideas that are easy to pull off and guaranteed to impress. Ready to turn your outdoor space into a star-spangled celebration zone?
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can you decorate your porch or entryway for the 4th of July? First impressions matter, especially on the 4th. Let your porch speak loud and proud with the right patriotic pieces. Start with a flag-inspired wreath or door hanger to give guests an instant sense of the celebration. Line your steps or entry with red and blue lanterns, pinwheels, or small flags and planters. Hang fabric bunting or star garlands across railings or door frames to add dimension and movement. Want more porch decorating tips? Check out the full playlist linked in the description. What are the must-have color schemes and symbols for patriotic outdoor decor? When it comes to decorating for the 4th of July, color and symbolism are key to creating a visually unified, meaningful setup. Red, white, and blue are the foundation. Combine them in bold blocks, fun patterns, or even in lights and fabrics to make them pop. Stars, stripes, and flags immediately connect the look to Independence Day. Use them in banners, cushions, and even your plants. Other great motifs include eagles, fireworks, and anything vintage Americana, old signs, crates, or lanterns with a rustic feel. Got a favorite theme you love to repeat? Let us know in the comments how you put your patriotic twist on outdoor spaces. What lighting ideas work best for 4th of July outdoor celebrations? When the sun goes down, your lighting takes center stage, and it doesn't have to be complicated. String lights in red, white, and blue can be hung across fences, patios, or overhead for a soft glowing effect. Solar-powered pathway lights shaped like stars or filled with color add both ambiance and safety. Lanterns with LED candles or mason jars filled with fairy lights create cozy nooks or highlight seating areas. If you want to recreate the lighting from this video, check the description for links to each product. How can you style a patriotic outdoor dining area or picnic space? Dining al fresco is the heart of most 4th of July celebrations, and the right decor can make it shine. Use a bold tablecloth or runner in stripes or stars to set the base and layer with themed plates and napkins. Incorporate themed centerpieces, like a galvanized bucket filled with flowers and mini flags or stacked crates with festive signs. Set up a cooler or drink station decorated with red and blue straws, patriotic signage, and themed beverage tags. To see more picnic and dining setups, subscribe now so you don't miss what's coming up next. What are some fun DIY decor projects for the backyard? Nothing makes your decor feel more personal than crafting it yourself. Plus, it's a fun way to get kids and family involved. Paint wooden pallets or boards with the American flag or stars and place them around the garden or patio. Create a DIY sparkler station with mason jars, sand, and custom signage to keep things safe and organized. Make a banner using bandanas, fabric scraps, or paper stars to hang across fences or outdoor walls. All the materials used today are listed in the description so you can start your own project today. How can you make your outdoor seating area feel festive and cozy? The right seating setup makes guests want to relax and stay a while, and it's a great place to show off some themed touches. Add patriotic cushions or throws to your patio furniture to bring in both comfort and color. Place side tables or crates next to seating with themed candle holders, drink trays, or snacks. Use rugs or outdoor mats in bold red or navy to anchor the space and define the seating zone. Want more ways to upgrade your backyard seating? Check out our similar decor videos in the description. What role do flowers and plants play in outdoor 4th of July decor? Nature provides an easy, beautiful canvas for patriotic accents and color layering. Plant red geraniums, white daisies, and blue lobelia and matching planters for a floral flag effect. Use tin buckets, wooden crates, or painted pots to enhance the rustic Americana vibe. Stick mini flags or patriotic signs into planters to double their decor value. Everything you saw in our plant setups is linked in the description for easy shopping. Why should you decorate your outdoor space for the 4th of July? Your outdoor space is often the first thing people see, and it sets the mood for the entire celebration. It welcomes guests with excitement and patriotic spirit, creating an immersive party atmosphere before they even step inside. It transforms even the simplest backyard into a venue that feels fun, festive, and purposefully designed for Independence Day. It becomes the perfect photo backdrop for family, friends, and those iconic sparkler moments you'll want to remember. If you're ready to celebrate in style, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone planning a party too. So if you were wondering how to make your outdoor space feel as festive as the fireworks above, now you've got everything you need. Whether it's a full backyard bash or just a few guests on the porch, your decor sets the vibe, tells the story, and brings the red, white, and blue to life. From DIY details to dramatic lighting, this 4th of July is your chance to create a space that celebrates freedom, fun, and unforgettable summer memories.